Hi everyone. Right, I'm making a little gift for somebody, and what I've done is I've taken an A4 sheet of felt, I've cut it in half, I've folded one end over and just done a couple of slits here because I need to fix in some the hanger itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue this in like that. How big do I want the hanger? Oh, that'll do. So all you do is do that, and then I need, it doesn't matter what colour it is actually, I need to just cut a couple of slithers. Like I say, it doesn't matter what colour these are. And then you just pop some glue on like that. Oh, sorry, I'm miles away. And then put it on the ends, and you make sure that's caught in that. And I'm going to pinch that a little bit there. Make sure this is covered in the glue. A little bit of glue on either side there, and that's just going to hold that in place. And then all I need to do with this, because I just want to roll it on. Oops. Like that. I'm just doing a little hanger. So if I measure that, about an inch either side, left that on there like that. Like that. And then just glue along the edge of the wood there. And when I roll that over like that, well, we can just do it like that. Just keep doing it till I get it where I want it. That's that. And that'll do. I'm not fussed about anything else whatsoever. It's just a little, see, so I've got a little hanger. I can trim these bits off. So, actually pull that back and trim it. I hope I haven't just cut into the felt. Probably have. Like that. There, see? Can't see. That'll do. So I've got my hanger fixed. And then I'm just going to leave that. I'm just going to move these bits out, so move that up there. And I just want to decorate it now and put some bits and pieces on for my friend. Now, I've got a little bit of beaded string, which I want to use. I did have somewhere. So I've got some tassel trim. I've got this, I've had it ages and I keep saving it and thinking, oh, you know, oh, I like that. I could use it on something, couldn't I? It's just basically for decoration, so I'm going to do that. What do you think? Yeah, I'm going to do that. There we go. Just use a piece of that. Not bothered if bits come off. Yeah, and that can go over there. Yeah, I'll tidy this end up. I'm not that fussed. Yeah, I like that, nice background. So now what I'm going to do to that is to add some trim. Well, I don't know, but I also want to make a flower or two. Yeah, that'll match. Make a couple of those. Let's have a look. We're going to make a trim on the bottom first. Right, just to hold that. That'll be fine. Just move my needle back. And glue that under there. Pull that across there, like that. There, and I've got a little, if I want to cut that a little bit, just to stop it sticking out as much, I can do that. You can do what you want. Now that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? But to that, what I'm going to do, just along here, I'm going to add that. And press that right down. Another glue stick, of course. Let me just see. Hold that down like that. Let's cut that here. Got that little bit there. That's it. Just to hold that down. Look, nice little one, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to make a flower. So I now need my needle back. Let me just see, just say 60 inches, 60 centimetres, sorry. So I usually, in a good flower, about 18 inches. That's usually a good amount to make a good flounce in it, so that it lays right. See, that's a nice flower. So I'm just going to pop this on here. Just there. I don't want anything too much. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? But I'm going to put something different in, I think. Let me just see, I like that one, I think. And a pearly centre. Look, do you remember? Yeah. I've got a beautiful pearl earring. Look. I just want something different instead of everything the same. I'm going to put that there because I don't want it anywhere else. I'm going to use one of these. Yeah, I sure am. So we're just going to pop that there, like that. Now, and I can pop a little rose here, just for that end. Yeah, I like that. I got something for there. Now, I've got a beautiful pink butterfly here. It's like an applique. That's the way. Not sure. I might build that with that one. Yeah, might do that. So we just need to pop that on. That butterfly. Like that. Make it a double butterfly. Like that. And then of course we're going to need a little bit of something down the seam of that. Now we've just got this back into the shop, so it's back in. Plus another one as well, a different one. But so I'm going to need 3 diamante ones. That's what I'm going to need. Oops. Here's my butterfly, like that. See how that's blinged that up? Isn't that beautiful? And then we can lay that here. We'll just have it like that, I think. Now, in order to put the wings up a little bit, just so that it looks like it's kind of like flying, you just put a bit of glue there and release the wings and let that dry, and it will hold that wing up. Don't press it down. See? Just leave them to dry on their own. I might have put a bit more on there actually. And hold them up a little bit more. So we can hold them up, let them dry. Just makes them stand up a little bit. And I'm going to put a diamante in there, I think. Well, what I have got is one of those. That's perfect. Like that. It's just a little bit too plain, but I wanted to keep the pastel pink in. You know, something very simple like that. And I think we may just do a stick pin. Do you know, I like that. Although it's not pink, it has got colours in it. See? And what I'm going to do, what we think, let me just see if I'm going to do this. Right, let me... do I want to? I do like that. Just... I'm going to take a little bit of this, which is rick-rack. I was such a good girl the other day. I organised all of my trimmings and bagged everything up. Right, all I want to do with this is to... Do I want to do that? Could have done with getting 3 out of it, to be honest. Let's do it that way. 1, 2, 3. Do I want to do that? I do actually like that. Okay. I'm just going to tuck that under the flower and push that on like that. It's just for decoration, that's all it is. And I'm going to bend this and then bend that again so that it can hold the glue. And pop that under there as well, like that. That'll do. Like I said, it's just for decoration. Now I need a pink pearl, which I have. I need... Oh, let me just see. A couple of these. Okay. Doing a little crystal. These are pink crystals. Another one of those. The bigger crystal, another one of those, and then the pink pearl, like that, see? And that's all you need. Like that. Oops. Take the excess glue off it. And then that too needs to sit in there. But you need it that you can actually see it. And that's just given that a little bit of extra colour. It's got pink in it, although it's got blue and green. It doesn't matter. A nice little stick pin. And it's just a little plaque. I mean, you could carry on putting little bits in here. I don't want to. I just wanted something simple to put as a gift. And I thought, while I'm doing it, you might as well join me. We made this, we made this, we made this. It's all handmade. Simple, quick and easy. You know, if you just want to slip something in, instead of putting a card in, make something simple, like that. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.